given that matrix A is 5 to 2x, find the value of x for which A has no inverse. Find the value of x for which A has no inverse. Hi Victoria, good to see you. So what happens if your determinant has no inverse? That means it's a singular matrix. That means its determinant is 0. Okay, so how we are going to find this one? We're going to say so we'll say 5 times x, which is 5x, then say minus, all right, 2 times 2. So for us to find the value of x, we're going to say, let me remove this. Sorry guys. We'll say A is equal to, all right, we have 5, 2, all right, then we have 2x, all right. So in order for us to find the value of x, that means our determinant is equal to 0, all right. So what here? All right, I didn't even check. Oh, 2020, I didn't even check. It looks so new. I just grabbed the paper, then I'm going to do this. I didn't even go through it. Christian, it's 2020. So we're going to say 5 times x. I don't know if you guys are able to see. So say 5 times x is 5x. All right. Then you say minus 2 times 2 is 4, equal to 0. So we're going to say 5x is equal to 4. Then divide by 5. So the value of x is equal to 4 over 5. All right. That's how you go to find such. That's how we find such a question. All right. So we have managed to find the value of x, which is 4 over 5. The next question now is saying find the inverse of A if x is 1. Find the inverse of A if x is 1. So now how do we get to find the inverse? All right. So how we find the inverse is that we are the champions. I'm so excited, guys. But kudos to all the Arsenal fans. That was super awesome. You guys, deserve the congratulations as well. So we've been told that our x is equal to 1. All right. We've been told that our x is equal to 1. So where there is x, we are putting 1 so that we can have now a normal matrix. Then we find now the inverse for that. All right, now we can find the inverse for that. So now how do we get to find the inverse for that one? Inverse of matrix A is equal to 1 over the determinant, all right, of multiplied by the adjoint of the same matrix A. All right, I hope you guys are able to see. If you're not, let me try to take this thing down a bit, like that. So we need to find the determinant now for this. We need to first find the determinant for this. So how do we get to find the determinant? To say determinant is equal to 5 times 1 is 5, minus 2 times 2 is 4. All right, so now the determinant is equal to 1. All right, we have found the determinant to be 1. All right, now that we know the determinant is 1, the next thing we need to find is the adjoint. So we need to find now the adjoint of matrix A. So how do we get to find the adjoint? So how to find the adjoint, my good friends, is that this given matrix that you have been given, the major diagonal, they only interchange. Meaning that the 1 will go up there and the 5 will go down here. So where there is 5, we put 1, and where there was 1, we put 5. Only in the major axis. In the major diagonal. In the minor diagonal, only the sign changes. Since they are both positive, they become negative. Okay, this is how you get to find the adjoint. So what we are going to do now is say the inverse of this matrix is equal to 1 over 1 multiplied by the adjoint, which is 1, -2, -2, and 5. So 1 divided by 1 is 1. In other words, our inverse of this matrix is same as 1, -2, -2, 5, just like that. Why? Because 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 times all that is all that. Kim wana ndo wabozaka. Kim. Kim, yesterday, kunadi test in WhatsApp group. These guys chewed them 100. There's only one gentleman who didn't finish the